force is more than the moderate, जो पहले हमने बोला था कि weak और moderate, then it will lead to the formation of complex mountain building without Duesenberg. ठीक है, तो आप अपनी तरफ से एक्सप्लेन करिएगा. It has been explained that if the contractional force is more, लेकिन यदि आपका क्वेश्चन आ जाए, आपको ही पता है कि if you have to evaluate it and all, तो आपको पॉइंट टू पॉइंट, और आपको ही पता है कि this kind of force was cannot be, contractional force cannot give such a high amount of force. एंड यदि फोर्स, थोड़ा सा मैं हटाने जा रहा हूँ, एक्चुअली में इन्होंने इसी को एक्सप्लेन किया, तो ये समझ में आया. यदि ये ऐसा है, सपोज इट इज लाइक दिस, रेंड कैटन, दिस साइड रेंड कैटन एंड द मिडिल मास ड्यूसेनबर्ग, यदि फोर्स ज्यादा होता तो ये क्या हो जाता, दिस काइंड ऑफ इट, ये पूरा कंप्रेस हो जाता. एंड देन he has said that there will be a complex mountain formation without Duesenberg. Understood it? Middle mass existing नहीं करता. Getting my point? Now, what are the examples he has taken to prove this concept? That where this kind of Rand-Catton and Schwarzenberg, Rand-Catton and Schwarzenberg is existing. ध्यान से देखेंगे. I said that he said that, okay, he said that it is not necessary to explain, but it is an African Cretogen is moving, and here it is what, Eurasian. Which Cretogen? And ये इनका क्या है, यूरेशियन फोरलैंड, और ये क्या है, अफ्रीकन फोरलैंड, एंड इन बिटवीन टेथिस जियोसिंक्लाइन विद जियोसिंक्लाइन. तो ध्यान से, because of the compressional force come under the contraction of this Africa, Tisnik, which Cretogen? Which Cretogen? Africa. ध्यान से देखेंगे, African, he has given then what? Compressional force. And when it is moving, then क्या हुआ, ये क्या है, there is a formation of Alps. There is a formation of, यहाँ पे क्या देखेंगे, there is a mountain system like Pyrenees, or if I'll come over here, I said that there is an Apennine in Italy, and then we'll see Dinarics, then we'll come over here, and there is a Carpathian. Which are the mountain ranges I said that? Pyrea हो गया ना, और Pyrea होने से पेन होता है कि नहीं होता है, Apennine, Pyrenees, Apennine, Pyrenees, Apennine. Then I said that Dinarics होता है दिन में भी, या स्पेशली रात में होता है, रात में तो सोने का मन करता है. Dinarics क्लियर. एंड यहाँ पे क्या है, कार में घूमते वाले बंदे को भी होता है, Carpathians. एंड यहाँ पर Caucasus. What is there? So which are the mountain ranges I said that? Pyrenees, Apennine, Pyrenees, Apennine, Dinarics, Carpathian, Caucasus. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे हैं बताने के लिए, लेकिन जब मैं माउंटेन बिल्डिंग याद कराता हूँ दैट टाइम. अंडरस्टूड इट. और यहाँ पर एटलस एंड सम प्रोविंस माउंटेन रेंजेस आर देयर. अब यहां से इन्होंने क्या बोला, यूरेशियन क्रेटोजेन इज पुटिंग एन अ कंप्रेशनल फोर्स एंड देयर इज एन formation of what, यूरेशियन ने इसके फोरलैंड पे बनाया, नियर बाय फोरलैंड, विच रेंड कैटन, एटलस प्रोविंस, which it has been said, Atlas mountain range and province. Understood it? Clear? And similarly here it is in a Himalaya, और यहां पर क्या बना, yes, Tethys, और इसके बीच में टैबेट प्लेट्यू. इसमें कुछ चीजें हैं. फटाफट ये फिगर बना लेंगे. Take this here, this is African. So this is Pyrenees, this is Apennine, this is Dinarics, this is, I said that, Carpathian, this is Transylvanian, and this is, I said that, Caucasus. So P4, Pyrenees, A4, Apennine in Italy, D4, Dinarics, Dinaric Alps, and this is, I said that, CA, Carpathians, this is T4, Transylvanian, and this C4, Caucasus. And here we have Atlas, and there is a Provence. Atlas and Provence. Hello? इसके आगे भी जाऊंगा मैं, यहां तक चलें फिलहाल. So this is, I said that, Pyrenees. This is, I said that, Pyrenees. It is Provence and Atlas. और बीच में क्या है? This is what? Duesenberg. Understood? What the example he has taken? Yes, tell me. Provence. This is a Pyrenees, and this is, I said that, Atlas, and or in between, what is this? Middle mass, yeah, median mass or Duesenberg. Thereafter, another example. This is the first example. Second example, I said that इसके बीच में भी एक दिखा रहे हैं, and between famous example we will take. This is Transylvanian, and this is, I said that, Carpathian, and this is in a Hungary plain. This is what I said that? Hungary plain. Middle mass. Is it okay? Okay. Clear, याद रहेगा, कर देते हैं now. And if you go into the Turkey, that is in Asia Minor, in the Turkey, what he said, In the Turkey there is a PT exam. Which exam? अभी PT exam हुआ. Yeah. Ponticus Taurus. P for Ponticus, T for. और आजकल आंटी लोग ज्यादा क्लियर कर रही है, मतलब गर्ल्स आर क्लियरिंग मोर. अंडरस्टूड. सिलेक्शन भी ज्यादा दिखा रहे हैं. इंडिया somehow is not able to make some history yesterday. I said यहाँ पे कौन सा है? Ponticus and there is a what? Taurus. So this example I am taking, this is in a P O and T A in the Turkey, in Turkey or Asia Minor. That is known as an Ottoman Empire historically. Turkey, or I said that Ottoman Empire, Asia Minor. In the Turkey, this side I said that which, ये कौन सा है? Ponticus, and this side is I said that Taurus Mountain, means Red Caton, ये उठा हुआ पार्ट, और बीच में Anatolian Plateau. Anatolian Plateau. Which plateau I said that? In the Turkey. This is an example of Red Caton, and the Anatolian Plateau is an example of Middlemas, Duesenberg. Another, if you come into the Iran, and in the Iran if you see, this is EG, and in the Iran if I say, in Iran, this is Alborz mountain, and this is I said that Zagros, and in between there is an I said that Iranian plateau. Which plateau? And here we have what? Middlemas Iranian plateau. Understood? And then another example that we can be able to quote, like I said that in this is the Himalayan. This is an Himalayan, and this is an Kunlun Shan, and in between Tibet Plateau. Correct? So all these mountain ranges इसको formation में देखा, one Red Caton on the foreland side, and there is a what? Middlemas which is unaffected, is known as what? Duesenberg, and everywhere it has been so line. लेकिन इसमें आप क्या देख रहे हो? He is able to explain east-west extending mountain ranges. Yes or no? But the Rockies are north to south, Andes north to south. So what about the mountain ranges which are north to south? But what about the mountain ranges? He has been able to explain the mountain ranges east to west, but not to south. Understood? So we have been able to see orogenesis. Which one I said that? Is it clear? First lithogenesis, second one I said that orogenesis, and then third stage you know that it is talking about glyptogenesis, and where the degradational force denudation is more impactful. Which one is more impactful? Third stage, it is what? Glyptogenesis. In the glyptogenesis, that if we have seen, like this is in a what I said, there is in a Rendcaton, and there is in a Rendcaton and all. This is a Cratogen. And if it is forming, then I said that आपने क्या देखा? अब now mountain building, contractional force reduced. Contractional